Fold with net, spider net. Victor. Okay, nothing else. I can see nothing. I want to check the other one, kitchen stuff. Can I go?
Yes. Try to step on these. So not in the middle, the edge. Okay.
Okay.
I hold you. Don't worry. You won't fall down. Okay. It's fucking hot.
Indeed. Ah, spider net.
Yes.
Oh god. What is this? Nice. And these jars, what do they use it for?
The guy there is dead, so I cannot ask him.
The guy is dead?
Yes.
Oh my god. I mean, it's just trash. I
Yeah.
don't want to go there.
Don't go there, honey. Nothing important is there.
Okay.
You won't find any treasure.
Gold, maybe? Not gold?
This guy was poor.
Poor.